The Canon EOS R7 was a revolution for APS-C shooters, but as we cross the threshold into May 2026, the whispers from the industry have turned into a deafening roar, signaling that the king of the crop sensor is about to be dethroned by its own successor. We are standing on the precipice of a monumental shift in imaging technology, and if the latest leaks are even half as accurate as they seem, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is not just a seasonal update. It is a declaration of war against every other manufacturer in the mirrorless space. For months, we've tracked every patent filing, every hush conversation from internal testing labs, and every cryptic social media post from high-level ambassadors. And today, the puzzle is finally complete. This isn't just about more megapixels or a slightly faster burst rate. This is about a fundamental redesign of what a prosumer camera can achieve. We're talking about a sensor architecture that has never been seen in this price bracket, an autofocus system driven by a next-generation neural processing unit that makes current eye tracking look like child's play, and a video suite that might actually make the EOS R5 look overpriced. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Asterisk as we dive deeper into these explosive leaks, you need to understand that the timing of this release in May 2026 is no accident. Canon has been watching the competition closely, letting the hype for rival brands peak, only to pull the rug out from under them with a camera that bridges the gap between the enthusiast and the elite professional. The core of the R7 Mark II is rumored to be a groundbreaking 42.5 megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. Now, for the uninitiated, stacked is the keyword that changes everything. Traditionally reserved for the ultra-expensive flagship models like the R3 or the R1, bringing a stacked sensor to the R7 line means readout speeds that virtually eliminate rolling shutter. Imagine capturing a hummingbird's wings or a professional golfer's swing without a hint of distortion, all while maintaining the incredible reach that the 1.6x crop factor provides. This sensor isn't just about resolution. It's about the sheer velocity of data, allowing the Mark II to process information at a rate that allows for 40 frames per second with a full electronic shutter. And here is the kicker, with zero blackout in the viewfinder. But the hardware is only half the story. The real magic being leaked for this May 2026 window is the integration of the DIGIC 12 processor. This isn't just a bump in speed. It's the introduction of predictive biometric tracking. Leaks suggest the camera won't just follow a subject. It will use machine learning to predict movement based on the specific sport or animal you are shooting. If a soccer player is about to turn, the camera's AI has already analyzed the body's center of gravity and adjusted the focus points before the movement even begins. This level of sophistication effectively removes the human error element from action photography. For wildlife photographers sitting in the brush for hours, this means the difference between a blurry wingtip and a tack-sharp eye in the middle of a chaotic dive. The leaks also point toward a massive overhaul of the physical body. Users complained about the wheel-around-the-joystick design of the original R7, and it seems Canon has listened. The Mark II is expected to feature a more robust, weather-seal magnesium alloy chassis that feels more like a mini R3 than a hobbyist tool. We're seeing reports of a dual CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2 slot configuration, a move that confirms Canon is targeting professionals who need that high-speed buffer clearance for long bursts of action. Now, let's talk about the video capabilities because this is where the EOS R7 Mark II is set to absolutely dominate the 2026 market. The leaks indicate 6K 60p internal recording in 10-bit 4:2:2, oversample from the full width of the sensor. But the bombshell is the inclusion of ProRes RAW internal recording, a feature that was previously a pipe dream for a camera at this price point. This allows for a level of color grading flexibility that turns this small crop sensor body into a legitimate cinema B-cam. Heat management has also been a massive focus. Instead of an internal fan that could compromise weather sealing, Anon has reportedly developed a new passive heat sink gasket system that pulls heat away from the processor and sensor, dissipating it through the body's frame. allowing for unlimited recording times in most 4K modes. This is the Goldilocks camera, the perfect size, the perfect speed, and now, the perfect video tool. As we move toward the expected late May announcement, the pricing leaks suggest a slight premium over the original model. But when you consider that you are getting flagship-level stacked sensor technology, the value proposition is staggering. The R7 Mark II is being positioned as the ultimate tool for those who need reach without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a bird photographer needing that extra zoom, a sports shooter needing 40 frames per second, or a content creator needing 6K clarity, the May 2026 leaks suggest that your wait is almost over. This camera represents a turning point where the distinction between full frame and APS-C no longer dictates the professional status of the user. Canon isn't just releasing a new camera. They are resetting the expectations for the entire industry. If you've been holding off on an upgrade, the evidence points to one conclusion. The R7 Mark II is the one we've been waiting for, and it's going to change the way we capture the world forever. Stay tuned, because as the official launch date nears, the floodgates are opening, and we will be here to cover every single frame of the revolution.